Hey everybody! I cannot believe I'm here to do another unboxing for my brand new machine. Never in a million years did I expect, whenever I severed ties with who I was aligned with before, never expected to partner with another company, but I was searching for myself and for the community for the best sewing company when it comes to product and how they're addressing Black Lives Matter. Janome was it. So of course I'm going to let everyone know, since it was what I was buying. I bought 2 machines, and then ta-da! Now I am an official Janome maker. Ta-da! And so I'm not replacing Felicia. Okay, we're not going to say that because I still love her. We went through a bunch of stuff, but this is going to be my main machine. So, are you ready to see it? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Oh my god!
What? What is this? What is this? Like, it's called the Beast. Like, it's amazing. I think the lighting is weird on me. But I'm gonna take this box down because it's taking up my whole table. Like, it could just be a talking box if you want it to be. But I'm gonna show it to you. So I'll take the box down and bring up the stove. Oh.
Seriously?
Yeah. This is the new machine. Right here. Right here. Thumbnail. Okay. So, I am going to now, I've done the unboxing, look at this throat space. This is crazy. I'm actually going to start quilting stuff more often. But now I'm going to take some time, play with it off camera, get to know this machine better. And then I'll come back and show you some of the features. So, this is my new machine, and I love them. I can tell I already love them. And once again, I need a name for this machine. What's different about this machine than any other machine that I have is this one is non-binary. I wanted to give visibility for the non-binary humans out there. For those that don't know what that is, it is someone who doesn't subscribe to the binary system of gender, either male or female. They fit somewhere in between, and it changes and it's fluid. So this is this machine to give visibility for those humans out there. Wanted to educate and play. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, yeah, thanks, Janome. I'm honored to be one of your makers, to join forces with you to not only take over the sewing world, but to help everyone learn about anti-racism and Black Lives Matter and sewing and awesomeness and fun and love and joy. So, thanks for coming along with my journey. If you have a name for this non-binary sewing machine, let me know. They call it the Beast, but I don't think that is going to be their name. But that's it. Okay, there they are. Look at all this. Just solid, solid, solid. And I get to put my cones up there. That's a big thing. 2 cones. That's super cool. Definitely. Okay. Look at the throat space. That is... Oh, I forgot how many inches it is. I will put it down below, or you can look it up with Google and stuff. But it's a lot. And there's the LED. Right here. Let's turn it on. Woo! All I've done is that stitch right there. I know there's a whole bunch more, but wow. Wow, look at that. It's pretty. It's pretty, pretty. Oh, yeah, I can show you how it threads. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, we ready? So the thread goes here, and then there's a thing right there. It goes there. And I hope this is right. I didn't read the instructions. It's just what I did. And then it goes up into that thing right there. And then like that. And then I push this down. And then it's threaded. Look, it's threaded. That is cool. Thank you. Thank you. So also, look at how big this foot is. And it doesn't move around and stuff. So, hey everyone. I am over here sewing on my new favorite machine. I swear it's a person. I love them this much. I've been sewing on it for a bit, and I can honestly say this is the best machine that I've ever sewn on before. Absolutely. And I'm honored that I get to bring this into the domestic family and share it with you. I'm going to show you some sewing in real time. Let me find my strips, if I can find my strips. Okay, so I'll start out like in the middle. I'm not gonna give you the full Monty right away. Full Monty, right? Like that's what go. No. Oh. Ah! You're not getting the full Monty, folks. Okay. And I'm going to do it once like from afar and then one up close so that you can really see it. But this is what they sound like. Wow. I've got to get a close-up of the sound of that. Oh. That is like probably the speed I'll sew at unless I'm in a hurry. When I'm in a hurry, this is what my room is going to sound like. Which sounds like some stuff is happening because this is what 1,400 stitches per minute sounds like. Are you ready? This is crazy. Wait. Like, I did not speed that up. That was, like, real. Legit. I'll do it, like, from close so that you can see. But that's crazy. Will I ever stitch that fast? Probably, because I live on the wild side. So I'm going to show you some, like, with music, close-up stuff, and then it'll almost be over for this video. So just enjoy the close-up stuff. I can't promise it won't shake. Hear that? Oh. Oh, and then let me show y'all the stitches too, because that's what's important. Like, these stitches are gorgeous. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. At 1,400 stitches per minute. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. So that was pretty cool seeing it all close up, right? I am in love and honored to be a part of the Janome Maker family. I wasn't expecting for a partnership to develop so quickly, but I'd already purchased 2 machines with my own money, and everything that I was seeing from a consumer and behind the scenes conversations, yeah, it was in alignment with my own personal and business values. It's very important that a company supports Black Lives Matter. It's very important that a company wants to help fight those that are oppressed. And that's where my energy and my money and my time has to be aligned for you and for myself and my personal spirit. So thanks, Janome. We're going to have a lot of fun, I promise. But don't forget, y'all, I need y'all to help me name them. Just to reiterate, this is a non-binary machine. I thought this was a great opportunity to discuss what it means to be non-binary. So as we get to know this machine, ask any questions. But it's someone that does not fit into the binary gender scale of male or female. They are something in between or something different altogether. And I want you to know that from Mr. Domestic, we see you and we validate you. You're welcome here, absolutely. So on that note, leave the names in the comments. I'm going to give like a baller prize. It's going to be like $100 value. I don't know what it is, but if I pick the name that you choose, that you help me choose for this machine, then absolutely you're going to get something. So put it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff unless it's too much pressure, and then don't do it. Like, no pressure. This is a no pressure environment. But one thing I do want you to do is to keep it positive and stay safe. Mr. Domestic out.